How is this on 85 and I just charged this? So today I am going to vlog. Going to the Psychedelic robot. And I'm about to get ready. So you'll see me when I'm ready. Because it's, I don't know. I gotta leave in like 10 minutes. But I'm tired. So yeah, see you when I'm done. And I'm back in the car because, like I said, I had to go. I'm gonna be late, but you know, hopefully. I mean, the lady that had to change my ticket because I was supposed to go yesterday, but things happened to where I couldn't go yesterday. And you will more than likely hear it within the car why I couldn't go yesterday. So I told her, can I do it for today? I was supposed to go at 12, but she didn't reply to me. So I was like, can we just move it to 3? Then she was like, yeah, we can go ahead and transfer your ticket to 3. There's nothing transferable, so you know, can't like change your thing. So you know, let this email be like your pass to getting in at 4. So I was like, 3 or 4? Either way, I'll be there. I have valet parking and everything too, so I'm excited for the psychedelic robot. Okay, I'm going to the psychedelic robot. Sorry for my double chin, I really hate it, but do y'all like this blonde? Do you like this blonde? Okay. Ooh. What's a pen? Oh, crap. It's me. Only one I can use. It doesn't work. Alright, guys. It's always making noises. I hate this car. Cool. Now I gotta find a way to get home, 'cause I don't know. Hurry! Can you go? Like, what are you doing? You look dumb. Because you are dumb. Dumb person. Okay, my guys. That place was litty. Dude. I wish it was bigger. Ooh. I think I should just start vlogging my phone again. You know? Just makes life better. Makes my phone focus there, but my phone always chip. You know, like chip, you know. Whatever. I'm gonna find my way home. I've gotta go home. The wig, I really don't know if it's slid back or what. I don't really know. Yeah. Okay. I'm going home now. I'm hungry. That place was lit. My feet were chilling, you know. Honestly, truly, factually, we were chilling, you know. Wasn't anything bad. But I had fun by myself since nobody else wanted to go with me. My pictures that I took on my camera though myself, it looked like it just looked like I didn't have anything on my face because I did. It made me look like more of a baby than I already am, you know. Do you hear that? So annoying. This car is the most annoying thing ever. Ow, that popped my jaw. Anyways, if you are going to get a Jeep, that is just random. Get a brand new one or one that is 2013 and older. I mean younger, you know. This lifestyle's not for me. But that was fun. I wish someone was there that knew how to take pictures if they were with me or whatever. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and end this because I'm not gonna keep vlogging for today. That was it. That was it. Just me going to the Psychedelic robot. It was litty. It was litty. It was lit. I gotta put my way home because I don't know when I'm coming. I think I'm coming the right way, but I really don't know. I am going the right way. Look at me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. Your local fake blonde is out. Signing out. This is when we're going out. Oh, the highway that gave me a flat tire. I thought we was going on the other one. Okay, whatever. I should go. Wait, what time is it? 4:31. What time is the mall closed? 6? It's taking me the wrong way. It's literally taking me the way I don't want to go. I'm not signing out yet until I get out of here. Until I get out. Like when I say get out, like the movie. I never seen the movie either. I just gotta get out of here. It's literally taking me north. I live south. There's traffic. Of course, it's a stupid accident. That makes no sense. That's just stopping 500 lanes, you know? I'm already on my exit lanes. I don't really care, you know? I'm about to do this loop turn, and I'm about to go home, and, you know, I don't know. Like, there's really nothing there. They're on the emergency. What is it called? Shut up. I don't know. When I get on the highway that takes me home, then I'll sign out. You hear that? There's so many things wrong with this car. It's annoying. Like, it's just so many problems. Just so many problems. Just so many problems. Chopstick in my pocket. I need that. Dude, they could have pulled me over and be like, why are you vlogging? I don't know, sir. Alright. It's about to get pretty dangerous, so I will see you guys next time on Taylor.